Okay, YouTube friends, this going back with the reinstallation of this coil on the air conditioner compressor clutch. This coil is a little different. It's got the little boot here, and the old style has the wires here. I've tried to find what year models take which one, but I can't seem to find it on eBay or the dealer sites or whatever. So, but it looks like this will work fine. There's a recess right up here at the top. Let me get you a little close up right there. Right up there at the top above the shaft. There's a recessed area. It looks like it's plenty of space for the, right up in here. Looks like it's plenty of space for this little part to go. So, pretty sure it's going to work fine. This slot right here is for the little pin there, the dial pin. This press pin to fit in, keep it from spinning. So this will go up this way. It'll fit in there, and the little pin goes in the slot, and it locks in pretty good. So then we've got our circlip ready to go. So we'll be ready to put that on. I need to grab a flashlight. And I'll be working around this camera, so I might bump it a few times here or there. And the alignment, getting this let's see, I'll need a screwdriver to push that up in place. Maybe this bolt will work. Maybe these long needle nose will work. Okay, I've got the snap ring on the large part. It's not down in the groove, but it is, well, my camera slid down. Okay, let me get you a close up there. It's not in the groove, but it's on the high side of the housing, so I'll have to work with that a little bit. But then again, I want to show you these pliers in case you didn't see the other video. These are Craftsman 45490. They really work well, and I'm sure there are other snap ring pliers that will work fine too.